Alright, I got my mass airflow sensor cleaner here today. Here we go. I've loosened this clamp and tried to get this thing out. I couldn't get it, but I just want to get this done. I don't need to get it out completely. You want to take it off, but I can clean this well enough. So I'm going to start just spraying this in here. Might as well use a lot. It's not going to hurt. Switch around to this side. Like I said, normally you would take it off of the box part, but I was having trouble with that, so just to get this done, I'm doing this. And here's the air filter. Let's see if I can get this box all clean. So it's got all that open there, and it's got that goes clear into the fender as well. So, yeah, let's vacuum this out. Alright, I just quick vacuumed in there. And I'm not sure if that looks much. It didn't really look all that dirty. There's a couple things on it that didn't quite come off. Anyway, we'll just see how it does. I'll put this all back together. So I got a brand new Wix filter. I don't know when the other filter was put in. It didn't even say who made the other filter. I probably didn't need a new filter, but I went ahead and got a new one. So I'm going to put the brand new Wix filter in. And put this thing all back together.